Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use VR mode on YouTube. So if you want something like this, then all you have to do first is you have to update your YouTube application so you can enjoy the new features of YouTube. Once updated, you can now open your YouTube application, tap this one, and then what you're going to do here is you have to simply search for virtual reality videos. So you have to search for something that is interesting. So again, virtual reality videos, tap this one, scroll down and then look for the video that you want to watch it or using VR mode on YouTube. So let's just say this one right here. So once you tap this, what you're going to do next is you have to simply click or look for the gear icon inside this YouTube. Tap this gear icon right here and then click this advanced settings. Now tap this watch in VR. And then once you tap this watch in VR, you will be notified that you will soon experience YouTube in VR. So all you have to do is to click continue and this thing or this video will show up. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.